Gentlemen, I'm about to say something that may surprise you. The real key to stronger erections isn't in your penis at all. It's in a completely different spot, one most men ignore their entire lives. But once you learn how to unlock it, the difference is undeniable. I'm Dr. Elena Ross, and in my years helping men over 50, I've seen this simple technique work when nothing else would. Today, you're going to learn exactly where this spot is and how to use it with one natural ingredient you can get at any store. By the time we're done, you'll know why castor oil is so powerful for men and exactly how to use it tonight. Stay with me because what I'm about to share could change everything for you. Here's what really happens to your body after 50. And believe me, it's not your fault. See, an erection isn't just about desire, it's a carefully coordinated effort. Your brain, your blood vessels, your nerves, and your hormones working together like a team. When you're younger, that team is sharp, fast, unstoppable. But as the years go by, a few key players start to slow down. Your blood vessels lose some flexibility, they don't expand as wide. So when blood tries to rush in, it's like pouring water through a half-closed hose. It gets there slower, and it doesn't stay put as well. Your testosterone, the fuel that drives your desire and performance, dips little by little each year. You don't see it happening, but your body feels it, your nerve endings. The messengers that turn touch into pleasure lose sensitivity. What once felt electric now feels muted. And then there are your pelvic floor muscles. These deep muscles are the clamp that locks blood into your penis, keeping your erections strong. But if they weaken, and most men never train them, that clamp starts leaking. And so does your firmness. That's why so many men over 50 wake up one day, wondering why their body doesn't respond the way it used to. But here's the good news. Your body isn't broken. It just needs a wake-up call. And one of the simplest ways to deliver that call is with castor oil. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't a magic potion. It's not some miracle fix. What makes castor oil powerful is pure science. Inside, it is a compound called ricinoleic acid. This natural molecule does 3 key things for men. First, it reduces hidden inflammation. Those tight, stiff, overworked tissues in your pelvic area? Castor oil helps them relax and repair. Second, it improves circulation. Massaging castor oil into the skin signals blood vessels to open wider, letting oxygen-rich blood flow more freely. Exactly what you need for better erections. Third, it activates your lymphatic system. Think of this as your body's cleanup crew. It clears waste and toxins out of your tissues, keeping everything fresh and responsive. And unlike many oils that just sit on top of your skin, castor oil penetrates deeply, going straight into the muscles, blood vessels, and nerves that matter most. Now here's the part most men have never heard before. The spot where this oil works best is your perineum, that soft area between your scrotum and your anus. Strange as it may sound, this spot is like mission control for your sexual health. Right under that skin is the bulbospongiosus muscle, the clamp that holds blood inside your penis. Running through are branches of the pudendal nerve, the highway carrying sensation from your penis to your brain. And feeding into it are arteries that pump fresh blood directly to your erectile tissue. This isn't just a patch of skin. This is the gateway to blood flow, nerve sensitivity, and erection strength. So when you massage castor oil here, you're not just applying oil, you're activating the very systems that keep you firm. Here's how to do it. Step by step, start clean and dry. Wash the area gently, then pat it dry. Take 1 teaspoon of pure cold-pressed castor oil, the unrefined kind with all its healing compounds intact. Warm it by rubbing it between your palms, or resting the spoon in warm water for a minute. Find a comfortable position where you can reach your perineum. Using firm but gentle pressure, massage the oil into the area. Slow circles, deep enough to feel the muscle beneath, but without discomfort. Continue for 2 to 3 minutes. Breathe deeply as you do this. Relaxation is part of the process. When finished, place a warm, damp towel over the area for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat helps the oil penetrate even deeper and boosts circulation further. The best time to do this? Evening, before bed. That way, your body can absorb and respond overnight. Some men notice subtle changes in just a few days, a tingling warmth, stronger morning erections, or simply more life in the pelvic area. For others, it builds slowly over weeks, until they realize they've regained strength, stamina, and confidence they thought was gone. And this isn't only about erections. Many men report better bladder control, less tension in their lower back, even a calmer state of mind. Because in this region, everything is connected. Improve one part, and the rest begin to follow. Of course, castor oil works best when you support it with simple daily habits. Drink plenty of water. Hydrated blood flows better. Eat nitrate-rich foods like spinach and beets. They naturally boost nitric oxide. Add healthy fats like salmon, walnuts, and olive oil. They keep testosterone strong and arteries flexible. And if you can, add pelvic floor exercises to strengthen the very muscles that hold your erections. Remember, this isn't a quick fix. This is retraining your body to do what it was designed to do. Every man responds at his own pace, and that's perfectly normal. But here's the truth I want you to hold on to. Even after 50, your body is capable of healing, restoring, and surprising you. With consistency, with the right encouragement, and with a little faith in yourself, you can bring back the strength and confidence you thought you'd lost forever. This is Dr. Ross Elena reminding you, your best days as a man are not behind you. They're waiting for you to wake them up. And it starts with something as simple as this: 1 drop of castor oil in the right place every night.